Hello, how are you? To start this class, we are going to review the first words, okay? So please repeat after me. Yeah? Wolf. 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 Fox. 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 Deer. 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 Squirrel. 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 Bird. 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 Owl. 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 Please, I want you to repeat after me, okay? Bear. 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 Raccoon. 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 Den. 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 Eagle. 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 Snake. 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 Tree. 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 Rabbit. 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 Leaf. 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 So let's make a review, okay, about there is y there are. Do you remember what is the meaning of there is and what is the meaning of there are? Yes? Remember that there is and there are means I, okay? There is a pencil. Hay un lápiz, okay? Hay un lápiz. There are two pens. There are two pencils, okay? Well, I made a mistake here. It's two pens, okay? It's two pens. Two pens. Yeah, very good. There are two pens, okay? It means two. Hay dos lapiceros, okay? Do you remember this? Now, we are going to talk about the same, but in the past. Ahora vamos a decir cómo se dice, vamos a aprender cómo es en el pasado. Había, hubo, hubieron, okay? So, let's make a review. So now, let's pay attention here. Did you notice that there was a pencil? Hubo un lápiz, okay? Ya no está. There was is past for singular. Para una cosa, para cosas singulares, there was pasado. Para cosas en singulares en presentes, there is, okay? There were two pens. Hubieron hubo dos lapiceros, okay? There were two pens. Yes? For plural, for two or more things. Para decir de dos o más cosas en pasado que hubieron, there were. Para decir de dos o más cosas que hay en presente, there are. Yes? So now let's practice more, okay? I'm gonna give you an activity online, okay? You can do it, the activity in your notebooks, okay? Pueden hacer la actividad en su cuaderno y después yo las voy a subir en internet, les voy a pasar el vínculo, okay? And then you have to copy on your notebooks and then give it to me, okay? So I can check it out. Y después me los vuelven a mandar, los vuelven a subir para que yo los pueda revisar, okay? Is that clear? So, do you have any question about it? ¿Les queda alguna pregunta sobre esto? Let's practice with this in your student's book, okay? Okay, so let's go to page 72 in your students book, okay? We are going to start with the activity A, okay? Could you please read with me the instructions? Write if the sentences refer to now or to past. Write if the sentences refers to now or to the past, okay? Vamos a revisar, a leer estas oraciones y ver cuáles están hablando sobre el ahora y cuáles están hablando de el pasado, okay? So let's start after me, okay? With number 1. There is clean air. There is clean air. Do you remember what I said before about the present and the past? ¿Se acuerdan lo que dijimos hace rato que les expliqué cuando usar there is y cuando usar there are? Okay, so now I want you to think about it, and here I want you to write if this sentence is now or is past. Okay, let's read the second one. There was polluted air. There was polluted air. Hubo aire contaminado o había aire contaminado. No, number 3. There are lots of plants and bushes in the forest. There are lots of plants and bushes in the forest. Hay muchos arbustos. Hay muchos árboles, plantas y arbustos en el bosque. And number 4, there were less trees in the forest. There were less trees in the forest. Hubieron o habían menos árboles en el bosque. Okay, so now I want you to think about it, answer all of them, take your time, take it easy, and write the correct answer, okay? Tómense su tiempo para responder, para que lo hagan de forma correcta, okay? Now, then we are going to check the answers. Después vamos a revisar sus respuestas. So now let's check. There is clear air. It is talking about, what do you think? Yes, there is means now. Very good. Number 2. There was polluted air. There was is talking about past. Number 3. There are lots of plants and bushes in the forest. There are means now. And there were less trees in the forest. This there were means past. Okay? You check it out? Very good. Now we are going to do letter B. Complete the chart. We have to complete the chart. Tenemos que poner esto, ¿ok? De completarlo. Before and after. Antes y después, ¿ok? According to... Okay, let's check this again. Okay, let's continue with this. Okay, we have to complete according to these sentences. Vamos a guiarnos con estas oraciones para poder completar este recuadro. Clean air. Do you think there was clean air before or after? ¿Creen que antes había aire limpio o que lo hay ahora? Yo creo que antes, ¿ok? So I think clean air it's here. Clean air before. Pollution. ¿Qué es lo que pasa después de que hay un aire limpio? Pues llega la contaminación. Pollution after. Then what was there before? ¿Ok? ¿Qué había antes? Animals. And then machines. Okay, so animals and machines. Before the people start cutting down the trees, there was a lot of animals. Then because of the cutting down of the trees, the animals has to go to other places and started the machines. Okay, empezaron a traer más máquinas. Yes. So now let's do letter C. Complete the sentences. We have to write there is, there are, or there was, or there were. ¿Ok? Tenemos que poner en la letra C si es there is, there are, there was, or there were. ¿Ok? So let's start reading the first one. There clean air in the forest. There clean air in the forest. ¿Qué fue lo que dijimos aquí? que había aire limpio en el bosque. And if we are talking about the past, si estamos hablando de un evento pasado, which one are we going to use? Was or is? Think about it. Number 2, there is smoke and pollution. Hay mucho smog, o sea, como mucha ¿cómo llamar el smog? Hay como mucho aire contaminado y además pollution en general, contaminación en general, no solo el aire, ¿ok? Number 3, there are many animals and insects. Había muchos animales e insectos, ¿ok? What do you think? It's past or it's present? There are machines and trucks. Máquinas y trucks are como camionetas grandes de trabajo, ¿ok? Trucks. So think about it, do this exercise, and we can check it out, ¿ok? Okay, so now let's check. The first one, there was clean air in the forest. Letter 2, there are smoke and pollution. There were many animals and insects. Okay, so let's check. No, sorry, there was a mistake. Let's check the first one. There was clean air in the forest. There smoke and pollution. There was smoke and pollution, okay? Okay, sorry, I cannot see very well this in this position. No puedo ver muy bien aquí, okay? So let's check again. Number 1, there are clean air in the forest. Hay aire limpio en el bosque. There is smoke and pollution. Hay smoke y contaminación. There were many animals and insects. Había muchos animales e insectos. Number 4, there are machines and trucks. Ahora, there hay máquinas y camionetas o camiones grandes. Okay, so now let's go to page 73. Okay, let's go to 73. In this page, we are just going to do the letter D, okay? Activity D. Solo vamos a hacer activity D. Read and match. Read and match. Vamos a leer all these sentences, vamos a leer todas las oraciones y las vamos a relacionar con estos dibujos, okay? And we are going to write the numbers. Vamos a escribir los números, okay? So, could you please help me to read? Okay, very good. Number 1, there is a bear in the tree. There is a bear. There is a bear in the tree. There is a bear in the tree. Okay? So this one is number 1. Very good. There is a snake under the rock. Okay? There is a snake. This animal that it's like this. Okay? There is a snake under the rock. There is a snake. There is a snake under the rock. Hay una serpiente debajo de la piedra. Under the rock. So this is number 2. Number 3. There are butterflies on the bush. There are butterflies. Okay? Butterflies on the bush. Let's check the butterfly. Where are the butterflies? On the bush. Right here. Right here. Okay? So this is number 3. And the last one, there are bees between the flower. There are bees between the flowers. Here. So this is number 4. No vamos a hacer la actividad E y la F porque necesitamos escuchar el disco, pero se quedó en la escuela. Ok, so vamos a omitir esta actividad. Now we are going to page, ahora nos vamos a la página 74 de su student book, ok? 74, yeah. Ok, so it's the same. No vamos a hacer la actividad A, porque igual necesitamos el disco y no lo tenemos, no podemos hacer ese listening. So we are going to letter B. Vámonos a la actividad B, ¿ok? So, look and complete the sentences. Observa y completa las oraciones con there is o there are. Remember, there is, simple. I mean, for one thing, for singular, and there are for plural. Okay? Very good. So, there is and there are. Let's read. Trees in the garden. Trees in the garden. Trees in the garden. ¿Qué significa? Trees, árboles. Entonces, ¿cuál utilizarían? Singular or plural? Singular or plural? Yes, very good. So, number 2. A squirrel in the tree. A squirrel in the tree. Una, singular or plural. Hay una ardilla en el árbol. ¿Ok? Number 3. Butterflies. Butterflies. Butterflies on the plants. Mariposas en las plantas. ¿Ok? So, singular or plural? Very good. A cat under the tree. A cat under the tree. A cat under the tree. Very good. So now, take your time and then we are going to check it out. Okay, so let's check our answers, okay? There are trees in the garden. Number 2. There is a squirrel in the tree. Number one, there are trees in the garden. Hay árboles en el jardín. Number 2, there is a squirrel in the tree. Hay una ardilla en el árbol. Number 3, there are butterflies on the plants. Hay mariposas en las plantas. Number 4, there is a cat under the tree. Hay un gato debajo del árbol. Okay, so now let's go to page 75. Page 75, we are going to do activity E. Read and complete. Vamos a leer y a completar. Okay? We have the option is, are, was, were, in, on. ¿Ok? Estas son nuestras opciones y vamos a leer el texto. Could you please help me to read? ¿Me ayudan a leer, por favor? Ok, so let's start. There a park near my house. There a park near my house. Un parque cerca de mi casa. ¿Cuál sería la opción correcta? Is. Very good. Is. There is a park near my house. Very good. Then, there are lots of trees. Hay muchos árboles de park. ¿En dónde? In the park. En el parque. Very good. Then, there lots of plants and flowers. Hay muchas plantas y animales. There are lots of plants and flowers. Hay muchas plantas y flores. Very good. So now, last year, el año pasado, remember, last year es pasado, el año pasado. So, last year, the park was ugly. Very good. Was. El año pasado, el parque estaba feo. Like this. Como este. Okay? There, no trees. There were no trees. No había árboles. No plants. No había plantas. And no birds. Y no había pájaros, no había aves. Ahora, there are bees and butterflies. Ahora hay abejas y mariposas. On the flowers. Hay mariposas en las flores. I like the park now. Me gusta el parque ahora. Very good. So now let's start with the next activity. It's letter F. Read and write. Lee y escribe. My garden is beautiful. Before there were no. Ahora mi jardín está hermoso, pero antes no había, ¿ok? A partir de eso, ustedes tienen que escribir lo que antes no había en su jardín y lo que ahora tienen y porque ahora es más bonito, ¿ok? There was, que había antes, y today there is, ahora, que es lo que hay ahora. There are, que hay ahora, ¿ok? So that's the structure. When you finish writing, you can send me a picture and I can review, ¿ok? Cuando terminen de escribir, yo voy a revisar su actividad. Recuerden, when we are talking about there is, cuando estamos hablando de there is, estamos hablando de cosas en singular que tenemos en este momento. There is a tree, hay un árbol. There was a tree, hubo un árbol. There are lots of trees, hay muchos árboles. There were lots of trees, hubo muchísimos árboles, ¿ok? So, before finish the class, antes de terminar la clase, let's practice again the forest words. Vamos a practicar de nuevo las palabras del forest, ¿ok? So, I want you to repeat after me. Quiero que repitan después de mí, ¿ok? Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Bird, B-I-R-D, bird. O-W-L, O. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Raccoon, okay, this is wrong, sorry. Raccoon, R-A-C-C-O-O-N, raccoon. Den, D-E-N, den. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Are you repeating after me? Very good. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Very good. So this is everything for today and we see you next class, okay? Bye bye.